Guys, we're in Samshak Square.
None of the place here.
Guys, we're in Samshak Square. So when I say at the water fountain in Samshak Square, this is where they're talking. Guys, we're going to the supermarket now. I have to walk a little because when they cross the juicy beef, you know, guys, but tell you this. I have my supermarket where I shop. Because I don't know if y'all know this, but Jamaica is very expensive when it comes down to food. So I'll go on TikTok with it. I have to get the good content for y'all. Yeah. I'm going to edit and post now.